turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright.
Oh, tiny tots with their eyes all aglow, we find it hard to sleep tonight. They know the sun
clouds
is on his way. Disclose the loads of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. So I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times,